How to turn off post view history on TikTok. Start out on your profile page. In the top right corner, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. On this new box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Next, tap on Privacy. Scroll all the way down towards the bottom, and you'll see this little icon with like a play button that says Post Views. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, there'll only be one option. If you want people that you follow to be able to see that you viewed their posts, leave this on. If you don't want them to be able to see that you viewed their posts, go ahead and toggle this off. Now keep in mind that this only applies to people that you follow. If you aren't following someone, they won't be able to see that you viewed their posts, regardless of what setting this is on. That's it. Before you go, be sure to check this out.